Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping through. So let's get into these contacts we'll be trying and reviewing today from Cocosusie. These contacts are everything right now to me. They've been in business for 7 years. They have a wide range of colors. They're affordable and they're very lightweight, so it feels like you have no contacts on, which I really like, because out of reviewing a few, they do feel like you have contacts on, so I don't really like that. But let me tell you guys, check out the website and you guys could be able to save you 20% off using RUTH NANDA. So definitely make sure you guys check the description box for the information. Anyway, let's get into these contacts. So this is what the packaging look like for the first set. Really cute, really sleek. I like the graphics. They actually have all the information based on it, and you know I like to put my prescription in them, so you know we're gonna be testing it out for real, okay? And they do come with a little packaging so that you can take your contacts off, put them in, and they come individually packed. They don't come together, so they are well packaged in my opinion. So these are without my contacts, guys, and so because I haven't worn contacts in such a while, they were burning a little bit, but after they settled, they were fine. They were comfortable. When I mean this color is everything, this is what it looks like on the mannequin. This is Chico. Like, I mean, yes. And this is the gray set. When I mean the way it complements the brown skin is everything. When I mean they were comfortable, they were soft, they were easy to put in, easy to take out, like no problems. My eyes weren't dry after leaving them in, because I did leave them in for the rest of the day. It was not drying. Like, prices are unbeatable. $26 for the set. When I mean, you guys have to check the link in the description box and save 20% off. You're gonna want to do that. Bye. Love you guys.